is Anya, and it's almost Halloween. It's one of my favorite times of the year. So for today, I thought I'd make some Tombstone Cupcakes, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, add 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, mix until well combined, add in 200 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, and 2 large egg yolks. Mix into a stiff dough. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for half an hour. Roll out and cut into tombstone shapes and crosses. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool, and with some melted chocolate, write RIP. And I added some lines on the tombstone to signify cracking. I outlined the crosses. In a bowl, beat together 60 grams of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Add a 1/4 cup of oil, 2 drops of red food coloring gel, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and a 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 3 batches. The dry ingredients consist of 1 1/3 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Add 2/3 cup of buttermilk in 2 batches. And mix until well combined. Fill cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. Separate the Oreo cookies and remove the filling. Crush the Oreo cookies. In a bowl, cook together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese. Gradually add 2 cups of icing sugar and mix until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of the Oreo filling. Mix until well combined and smooth. Spread the cream cheese filling on top of the cooled cupcakes. Sprinkle some of the crushed Oreo cookies on top of the cupcakes. And push a cookie through the cupcake.